Hello students of class 10. So unit 2 electronic spreadsheet and our today's topic is linking spreadsheet data session 2. So first of all, let us understand why linking a data in spreadsheet is necessary. So before that, let me give example. So class 10, suppose I have a 4 sheet with large number of data, and now I want that the whole data should come in a one sheet. Is this a possible? Yes, it is, because the Excel has given us the feature of linking spreadsheet data. So as you can see in your screen, sometimes we store our data on multiple sheets, and any one sheet out of them refer to data present in another, that means other sheet of external data. So linking spreadsheet data helps in. So next is need for multiple worksheets. So multiple worksheets are needed to consolidate. So consolidate means here to collect our data in a single place. So all the multiple worksheet, that means 4 or 5 sheets data are there, and you wanted to carry all the data in a single sheet. For example, suppose I want to compare the expenses of the different months. I would prefer to have separate expense worksheets for each month, but at the same time I would want to consolidate the data in another separate sheet. So setting up multiple worksheets, viewing sheet names and selecting a sheet, inserting a sheet, renaming a sheet, and deleting a sheet. So we will do in a practical in our live classes. How to insert sheet, how to rename a sheet, and how to delete a sheet. And also how to link a multiple data in a one sheet. So linking sheet by using data from other sheets. That means linking is possible through keyboard and mouse. So in our live class we will do this one in practical. So how to link our data, our sheets, that means multiple sheet in one sheet, through keyboard and also mouse. So these are the steps. Here you can see in your screen it is written. Remember one thing, consolidate means collect our data. That means 4